Hello everyone. So for today, my plan is to make some of these pockets for inside a bigger pocket. I thought this is the last one I have in my pre-made ephemera, so I'm like, I need to make some before one of them use it or lose it per se, or whatever. I just need to make more so then I can add them to my journal. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll make 2 for inside our journal, our Pride Lands journal. So this is how we make it. It is actually quite easy to make. It isn't very difficult. You just gotta choose what size you want, how big you want it, and everything. And it's, again, one of them where it really isn't a very difficult piece to make. This one I'm going to leave plain because, or these a little plainer, because they do go off and let's fix this. See if I can fix it anyways. There we go. Much better. So, I mean, I think they're very decorative as it is. I'm not going to overdo that. And we just glue on the sides. If we want a cute little punch quick off to the side, we can. Like this. Cute little punch. Ta-da! And if you have the issue of it not holding like you want it to, like that. Again, I thought, let's pre-make some. We don't have to get too extravagant with how it looks with these, just because this is going to go, most of these are going to go into my to-do box. So not a problem, right? I'm making them very neutral. Some of them I'm not, just because I'm going to use them in current journals, but most of them I plan on using future, not current. So I have a few current journals that I want to do, obviously, here, but the rest of them are for future. We can mass make them quick, and I'll show you how, like with copy paper or something like that, if you have that and you don't have regular paper, why not use what you have? And again, I'm probably going to use some of my brown packaging just because I have so much of it. But that's okay. Again, they'll get used appropriately. And voila, we got that first one done. Did forget to punch a hole in this side though. So that happens. You forget to punch a hole. Happens. again, I figured that's a great way for them tags to hang out and everything. All right, so now we have some of these. I was thinking with these, because I don't really want to, this paper's flimsy, right? We don't really want to use flimsy paper and everything and have it fall apart. So this is how I'm going to do it. I got brown page here. It ain't perfectly cut, but I don't need it perfectly cut because we're going to first things first, fold it. I like it. I know some people are like, ew, don't do that. But it ain't gonna matter. I just wanted it in half. Now, I'm okay with it being side by side. You may not be. It's okay. Again, you do you. Now, with these pockets, they could be made into another pocket. They could go off and be 1,000,001 different things. So that is your choice when you're making your pieces. This is how I manage to get it pretty precise. Not always, but close to precision. All right. And then, again, I'm just going to take this and get a hole punch, or punch it out. And again, we'll punch it out on this side. And then I'm going to glue it. Again, I know I made a lot of ephemera for this. And if you really wanted to take it to the next step, you can easily glue down this back part on 3 sides and it becomes another pocket. So, like if this is your page, if you glue this down on here, 3 sides, then right here would become a pocket. Just saying, in case you're wondering, well, what can we do with this? You can actually make it into a pocket. It doesn't have to be something that goes inside a pocket. But again, I wanted to use some of these pieces, and I was hoping, depending on the size and everything, I'd be able to stick it in, no problem, into this spot. Again, it just creates some more added pieces to this piece. I really like this little tiny piece of baked goods with the background the way it is, so I'm going to glue that down. And then, like this. And I like the word touch of Paris down the side right there. Then I was thinking a big label, or big-ish label, would do some good there. Yeah. we'll just add this label to it. I love green. So there we go. All done. Perfect little piece. For inside that journal. And this one should be dry now. So let's do some more. Again, it don't have to be perfect. If you wanted something perfect, sometimes you can get perfect with it. Again, that is your own decision. You can go off and use coffee dyed paper in the inside. You could use music paper in the inside. You could use old book page for the inside. I just showed you what I chose to do. These are some papers that I got from Amazon, and they're pretty interesting, but they're really not my cup of tea per se. And I haven't been too sure how I was going to use them, so got that, and I was thinking one of these would be actually kind of cool on it. So, let's see. No. But maybe just a nice little label on it too. I don't know. We can wait on decorating these. Again, this is supposed to be mass making, not me playing with this. So I'm gonna mass make. Instead of playing with it. I know I'm just doing a silly little thumb punch, but that's okay. It's gonna work all the same. And I'm just like dropping everything. Alright, let's go to gluing this on a page. Again, I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just having a bit of a play with it. If I wanted perfection, I probably wouldn't be doing this. All right. Get close to halfway mark. I really need to grab my other one because it does better with thinner papers. But since I don't at the moment have it on me, we'll make do with what we have. And I am so sorry about my coughing and stuff. It is not the C word. It is allergies. I get this every year when lilacs are out because I can't breathe when lilacs are out, even though they're my favorite flower. Cannot breathe when they're blooming. Doesn't matter what time of year it is, but when they bloom, I can't breathe. Yeah, I got these papers a long time ago, and they've been sitting in my scrap drawer because I wasn't too sure how I wanted to use them and everything, and it just never worked out using them, so now you can choose which side you want to use too. You don't have to be perfect. I kind of like this side better than I like that side. But again, that's your own choice when you get to that point. Again, I'm just gonna and just remember, like, my collection of stuff that I have for this is after 5 years of being in junk journaling. You tend to collect things. I mean, yeah, I started out in mixed media, so a lot of my stuff is from that too. And before that, I was in crocheting. I mean, again, it seems like over the years, as I switched crafts, I learned how to adjust my crafting to go with what I'm currently doing. So there we go. We got our third one done. So we got 3 of them done for in my to-do box, and we got 3 of them done for future journals, so, or journals I'm currently working on. So have a great day or night. Enjoy yourself. Bye.